Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Capital stock questions get easy when you separate physical business equipment from training, ads, services, or borrowing. So watch this and lock in the right. In macroeconomics, investment means spending on physical capital goods used to produce other goods or services, not just any business expense. So focus on equipment, buildings, and productive tools. That makes the bakery buying a new high-efficiency oven the standout choice, because an oven is a tangible, productive asset that adds to the firm's capital stock and helps future output. The other options miss the definition. Training builds human capital, ads are marketing, hiring an accountant is a service, and borrowing money is financing, not. Well done! Option C is right. Scan now. Trap, rushing past definitions. Rule, trust the given wording and check which choice adds real physical capital.